Hi there. Are you teaching winter severity? Well, I'm going to tell you what this lesson is all about. You will have your students become winter ecologists, and they will learn how to record the temperature, the wind speed, and wind chill, the snow depth, and whatever animal activity is in the area. And then your students will compare their different sites and talk about what habitat is the best for certain animals and which animals can live throughout the winter. The 4 different learning objectives that your students will know at the end of this lesson are: number 1, define the weather factors that determine winter severity. 2, use the minimum and maximum thermometer and the Kestrel weather meter to collect the data. 3, compare and contrast microclimates and landscapes to predict the winter life. And lastly, 4, determine the most appropriate site for Wisconsin animals in the winter.
Materials for this lesson include images of unusual homes for the Parade of Unusual Homes activity, a map of the trail locations. Next we have the Kestrel weather meters. These can be used to find the wind speed, the wind chill, and the current temperature. Next we have the min-max thermometer. On the outside of this U, you have degrees in Celsius. On the inside is degrees in Fahrenheit. When you're reading this thermometer, you want to always read from the bottom of the blue floater, right here, and right here. You have to be careful when reading these because on the negative side, right here, it is inverted vertically. So right at the top here is going to be negative, while at the top on this side is going to be positive.
Once you get to your site, each group will have a clipboard like this. And on that clipboard, as you can see, you get to collect the data. Okay, so once your class is done with collecting your data out on the trail, you can come back wherever you started, and as a class, you will collect your data and average it. So, for example, we'd all say, today is April 3rd, and we all got 0 inches of snow. And then we go down to the wind speed, and today is April 3rd again, and then the wind speed was about 6 miles per hour. And then you and the other groups will have to decide what animal client card is best for that site. So each group will have a different client card and a different site as well, and then that group will have to choose whether that is an appropriate site for that animal based on the data that was collected.